In this video, we are talking about these two words, the two verbs hear and listen. Now, like my previous video on see, look and watch, these two words can sometimes be a bit difficult to learn for some English learners because they don't always translate nicely into other languages. Now, if you haven't watched that video, I suggest you watch that one first because the two words see and look are similar to the two words hear and listen. The idea is the same. So if you haven't watched that video, I suggest you watch that one first because it will be easier to understand today's video. I'll put a link up here to that video and also down in the description below. Okay, so let's talk about each word first, and then afterwards I'll compare them. Firstly, the word hear. Like I just said, this word is similar to see. To hear is one of the five senses. And what are the five senses? See, hear, smell, taste, and touch. So we see things with our eyes, we hear things with our ears, we smell things with our noses, we taste things with our tongues, and we touch things with our hands or skin. So you use hear when you're using one of the five senses, when you're just using your ears. So when you hear something, it's not always planned. It may just be an accident. You just used your ears. The sound just came to your ears. Now, if you're talking about hearing something in the past, so something yesterday, last week, or last year, you use the word heard. Heard is the past tense of hear. Heard. I heard this really awesome song last night. I've never heard that song before. I don't know who sang it. I hope I hear it again. Did you hear the thunder last night? It was so loud. It actually woke me up. Now with hear, we say, I can hear the dogs barking. We don't say, I am hearing the dogs barking. We don't say this one. This one sounds strange. We say, I can hear the dogs barking. Or if you're on the phone with someone and they ask you, can you hear me? You can say, yes, I can hear you very clearly. Not, yes, I am hearing you very clearly. Now, the second word, listen. Listen is similar to look, and they both start with the letter L. So it's easier to remember them this way. They both start with the letter L. Now, with my listening practice videos, I always ask you to listen to the conversations. I'm asking you to pay attention, to concentrate, and see if you can understand what they're saying. I'm asking you to use your ears to listen to the conversations. And a few things that parents probably say all the time and are probably sick of saying them. Stop playing your computer game and listen to me. Stop watching TV and listen to what I'm saying. Now notice that when I ask you to listen to something, I say listen to. I don't say, stop playing your computer game and listen me. I have to say, stop playing your computer game and listen to me. So when you want to say what you want the other person to listen to, you have to say to. You have to say, listen to. Listen to me. Listen to your father. Listen to your mother. Listen to the rain. Listen to this. But if you don't want to say what you want the other person to listen to, then you don't need to use to. John, listen. If you don't stop talking, I'm going to call your parents right now. I just sit there and listen. I let her do all the talking. Now let's compare these two words. And let's have a look at these two sentences. I can hear music and I am listening to music. What's the difference? Well, I can hear music means that there is music somewhere out there. So I can hear music coming from the room next door. Maybe my neighbors are playing music, but music is coming to my ears. I am not paying attention to the music. It's just coming to my ears, so I can hear it. I can hear music. I am listening to music. Now here, I am paying attention. I am focusing on the music. Maybe I'm listening to music on my phone, I'm listening to music on my computer, on my stereo, but I am focusing, I am concentrating on the music that's playing. And another example, I can hear the rain outside, and I am listening to the rain outside. What's the difference? I can hear the rain outside means I'm just busy working at my desk. It's raining outside and I can hear the sound of the rain is coming to my ears. So I can hear the rain outside. I'm not paying attention to it. I'm not concentrating on it. I'm busily working at my desk, but the sound of the rain is coming to my ears. Now, I am listening to the rain outside. Here, I am focusing on it. I am sitting here and I want my ears to go to the rain because I really want to experience it. Because for some people, listening to the rain is actually very relaxing. It's a really nice experience. So this is when you use I am listening to the rain outside. So that's it for today's video. I hope you now have a better understanding of how to use hear and listen. So in summary, hear, you use hear when you use your ears. It's one of the 5 senses. So when you hear something, it's not always planned. It could be an accident. You're just using your ears. Listen is always planned. You want someone to pay attention, to focus on something, to make their ears go to something. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it useful, please give me a thumbs up. It will help other people find this video as well. And if you'd like to get more videos like this one, then please press the subscribe button and also the bell so that you will know when I have a new video out for you. Thank you for watching today's video. Keep practicing, stay safe out there, and I shall see you next time. Bye.